Hey friends, if you wish to disable the touchscreen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, have we made a video on this topic specifically? People may say that we have a setting, we can disable it. Right click on the start button, go to settings and then disable it. There is no such setting sadly. Like tried checking for touchscreen, but there is nothing. I also typed it as one word, there is no touchscreen here. So here's what you can do. You can simply disable the touchscreen drivers and that will help. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for human interface devices. There would be something called as HID compliant touchscreen drivers. HID compliant touchscreen drivers. Now I don't have that because I do not use a touchscreen, but if you have that, then you'll find the driver here. Right click on it and then select disable device. Don't select uninstall device, select disable device, because if you uninstall it, it will get reinstalled. Disabling it will disable it till you enable it again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.